Hey Crusaders, Daryl here. I'm going to do a quick video on something I just received in the mail. As you know from my previous video, I have the Big Five Overland Simba antenna for my GMRS. Well, whenever my wife rides with me and she's in the passenger seat, she always complains about the antenna being in her line of sight from the passenger seat. So I contacted the good guys up there at Big Five Overland and I ordered the 90-degree bracket for it, the adjustable bracket. So ordered it Sunday afternoon. They got it out right away Monday. Post office, of course, is the post office. So they got here on Thursday, which is still great. It was only 4 days, but normally post office used to be like almost 2 days from Atlanta down to Florida. So, but I got it. I opened it up. I got a new Big Five Overland sticker, which I don't have one of these. I have the circular one, so that's pretty cool. In it, here's the bracket. And if we take it out of the packaging, which this is a solid piece of kit, let me tell you, it's got a little bit of weight to it. So what I'm thinking of doing is, instead of folding it back towards the windshield, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it so it actually folds one way or another across the front of the vehicle. So if I do this, see how it folds? So I can actually do this so it folds across the front of the car. That way when my wife's with me, I don't have to worry about it being in her line of sight. So real good piece of kit. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and disconnect from here and then go ahead and put the bracket on there, and let's see how we do it. If memory serves me correct, the wire is already connected to the base, so I'm going to have to go into the car and undo everything I've done so I can pull the antenna wire through. But it's going to be worth it. That way I don't have to listen to my wife, whom I love very much, worry about this being in her face. So that's where we are. So stand by and let's see what we can do. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this disconnected from the mount. The nut is a 22 millimeter, and I'm going to get that broke free, and I'm going to pull the cable through so I can mount my 90-degree bracket. Okay. Hey guys, Daryl here, the Adventure Crusader. So what I want to do is I want to continue with this Big Five Overland 90-degree adjustable bracket, or as they call it, the 90-degree swivel bracket. That's what the good guys over at Big Five Overland call it, the 90-degree swivel bracket. So what I'm going to do is I am going to relocate the bracket and the antenna and the swivel bracket from the mounting tabs on my ARB bumper, and I'm going to use the bracket that came standard with the antenna, and I'm going to mount it on the passenger side loop of my ARB bumper. So let me show you how it's done. This is going to be a quick video altogether from beginning to end. All right, so as you can see, this is the front of my 2003 Mitsubishi Montero Limited. And this is what you see in most of my videos since I took custody of it in beginning of 24. So as you can see, this is where the antenna has been mounted. I did have to make the hole a little bit bigger. If you compare this size here with this size here, this is how it comes from ARB, and I just had to make it just a little bit bigger for the bolt to go through for the antenna. So what I did was I disconnected the bracket. So if you notice, here is the 90-degree swivel bracket, right? And it has the bolt underneath. So this bolt I had connected to the tab on the ARB bumper. And all I did was I went inside my truck, and if you notice, there's my radio there. The wires, antenna wires goes underneath. I just have it where it's come through here. I have these little tabs, and then it goes up through my fender and then through the engine bay. So what I did was just slacked it up a little bit, pulled it through the zip ties, ran the wire across here, zip tied it here, and then of course zip tied it here. So if you notice, these right here, the Big Five Overland antenna. So, and this 90-degree swivel bracket is another $50 if you decide to get one. So what I did was today, it's been a week after our trip, I decided, with a little encouragement from my sister Wendy, who reminded me in my videos that the camera, if you look the center of the dash here, the camera is right about there, so it's always picking up the antenna that's right in this line of sight. So with a little encouragement from my sister, I went ahead and used the factory bracket until I can weld the tab on here, and I just relocated my 90-degree bracket and my Simba antenna to the passenger side of my ARB. So now, as you notice, right here, where's my finger? Right there is like the passenger seat, and it's not in the line of sight anymore. So I'm very pleased with it. I did notice that when I get the tab, I think I might try and bring the tab up a little bit. That way, when it goes to lay down, it can lay totally level with the fender. Right now, it can go to this hole right here, which puts it at an angle. Let me show you. All right, so this is down. It's not on the very last hole like I would like it, so it would lay actually parallel to the ground. So this is as close as I can get to the fender, and if you notice, it runs up like that, which is not a big deal. But as you can tell, if it gets bumpy, you're gonna hit that. So what I like to do, I'm just gonna run it straight up in the air. So leave a comment, let me know what you think. All right, Crusaders, so I know this was a quick video, but that's fine too. Sometimes my videos, and I acknowledge it can be a little boring. I'm still working on it. You know, by trade, I'm not a videographer, so I'm learning. But this is a quick video on my excellent piece of kit from Big Five Overland and the guys there up there around the Atlanta area. Love my Simba radio antenna, and this 90-degree swivel, adjustable swivel, is awesome. I'm enjoying it very much. So don't forget, guys, please like, subscribe, and share. God bless, and I hope to see you on your own adventure. And I'll put all the descriptions for everything for the Big Five Overland guys in the description. All right? God bless, guys. Peace out.